Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best headphone stands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Headphone Desk Hanger. This is the best rated headphone stand, and it has high quality metal construction. There is no doubt that it is highly durable and super reliable. Besides, it is light in weight, and there is no question of bending or breaking. The design is adjustable to fit on the desks and tables of various thicknesses. The design is such that it is rotatable and you can use it on horizontal as well as vertical surfaces. Moreover, it is unique in outlook, and you can use it anywhere you want. In fact, it is smaller than the traditional headphone stand and also sturdier to carry headphones of various weights. It is quite innovative, compact, and sleek in design. Besides, you can install it in a few minutes, and the minimum thickness of the surface has to be 14 mm, while the maximum can be 40 mm. If you have a gaming headphone or something quite heavy, you have to opt for it to buy the best value headphone stand. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Acrylic Gaming Headset Holder Hanger. The ergonomic design with manufactured from acrylic. This headphone holder is much better, sturdier and up to date than the previous ones. You do not need to put your headphone here and there anymore. Just utilize this balanced headphone holder to keep your place non-messy. With the polished dark shade, smooth curve, treated edges, and pointedness, this stand provides content gripping over your headphone and yet looks perfect for every place. The headphone holder comes with less design to have a clean and tidy appearance. It suits almost every kind of headphones universally. The stand does not overturn or get weakened while hanging the headphone on it. This product lasts longer with low maintenance. There is no doubt that it is one of the best headphone stands you should buy. At number 3, we have the Headphone Stand Headset Holder. This headphone stand needs easy 3-parts assembling. The aluminum alloy rod, TPS rubber headset and a solid base keep your headphone in its proper place. This effortlessly portable gadget is perfect for the tabletop of your bedroom or workspace. You require no extra effort to search for your headphone randomly. By simply placing your headphone on the stand will make your life easy. Moreover, the holder matches all the headphone sizes like children's headphones, noise-emitting headphones, gaming headphones, telephone headset and so on, universally. This wireless, lightweight and yet sturdy headphone stand does not cause any toppling or wobbling with modern texture. You simply set this stand almost everywhere, like on the computer desk, bookcase, recording room and likewise. At number 2, we have the aluminum headphone stand headset hanger with cable holder. If you have wired headphone with trouble, then this headphone stand with a wire holder can help you out. The universally designed headphone stand is nearly compatible with all the wired or wireless headphones. Besides, you can stress-freely organize and safely store your headphone by putting on the holder. The robustness of the steel stand and the firmness of the silicone pad make this product last longer. Additionally, it does not cause any scratches to your headphone. This stand, with a simple but stylish look, looks pretty good on your office desk, studio room, bedroom and computer desk. The headphone stand does not involve any critical installation. It requires 0 repairs. This keeps a proper balance to hold your headphones steadily. And finally, at number 1, we have the universal metal headphone holder hanger clip with adjustable clamp. The multipurpose, omnipresent headphone stand is made of premium quality metal. It is robust enough to efficiently tackle the load of both heavy and lightweight things like headphones, bag, umbrella, shopping bags and many more. Basically, this stand is a clip hanger with an adjustable clamp and needs the locking knob with nylon screws to fix this on the edges of your desk or computer table. The advantage of this holder is that it does not engage your desk space. It has anti-slip gripping with the raised tip on the edge. You need no further tools to install this item. The height regulating feature of this stand suits almost every thickness of the desks and tables. It is one of the best headphone stands on the list. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.